Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Today I'd like to share a super nutritious dish which is mandatory in my native for women after delivery. This dish is called Palade, Paladya or Nivol. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Please note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. And let's get started. To begin with, add all the spices into your blender. Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, pepper, fennel, dried red chilli. You can also add chili powder, turmeric powder, carom seeds, fenugreek, mustard, grated coconut, garlic and onions. Also add soaked Malabar tamarind water. It's called jargehuli in my native language. It's also called Garcinia cambogia. Soak these overnight and you can store this water refrigerated for about a week or more. Add all these ingredients into your blender and blend it into smooth paste. That's it. Transfer this paste into your cooking pot and add additional water to dilute it and boil it on a medium flame. You can also add dried fish if you please, although it's gonna taste amazing even without it. Don't forget to add salt. Salt adds and combines all the flavors together. Boil it on a medium flame and you can have it after 15 days postpartum and at least twice a month as long as you breastfeed. All queries and suggestions regarding the same recipe are welcome in the comment section below. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. Oh, and don't forget to add ghee on top because mommy needs nourishment. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.